911, what's the location of your emergency?
It's 190 South Orange Street. I got a guy that's a resident here. He's out back shooting a fucking pistol.
He's shooting a
I opened my
pistol?
door. Yeah, I opened my door and he pointed it at me.
Do you know who it is?
His name is Kyle. See what his last name is. Blevins, Blake, something like that.
Okay.
But,
does he live there?
He lives at 190 apartment 2.
So he's in the parking lot, like shooting a pistol, what, up in the air?
It looked like he was pointing it straight out, and then I opened my door, and I was like, what the hell are you doing? And he turned around, and he pointed it at me.
Oh, my gosh. Kyle something.
Yeah, here, I got to get my glasses. I'm freaking out right now.
Shots fired, dispatch! Shots fired! We need a medic! Suspect down! Let's go around. Come with me. Fuck! We're coming around! Fuck! All right. We're right here, all right? Here. Don't move! Do not move! I got less. Fuck. Yeah, we're good. Do not move! I don't know where the gun is. Don't move! 58, you copy? I got the gun. Okay. Do not move! All right, somebody, we need to check him. Somebody get the GSR. Don't move. Go ahead. I got awful. The gun's right here. I got it. Where's he hit? Yeah, are you guys here? You good? All right. Where's he hit? Fuck. Oh, damn it. Tell the medic to step it up, dispatch. I'm going to call management. Okay. Fuck. Hey, don't move. I won't even cuff him, man. Yeah, he's got to go.